It's that time again. It's getting cool out, at least here in Los Estados Unidos, United States. So I'm starting to do some fall and winter makes. This was an abandoned project from maybe 3 years ago, potentially longer. I didn't know what it was going to be, and I wanted it to be a sweater. However, I could not find any more of this yarn. I don't remember what the brand is, but it is a chunky roving that I had gotten at Michael's. The pattern is very simple. It is just 12 rows. Across the top, there's 15 square knots, and then you alternate. You alternate 15, 14, 15, 14, 15, 14 for 12 rows, okay? So it's really that simple. If you want it to be longer, you would make 16 across the top, well, width-wise. So it's very simple. I did left square knots because I'm right-handed. You may prefer to do right square knots. It's just that they're all uniform. I don't switch back between left and right. And there you have it. It's like a collar, or you can even make it into a cowl if you put them all together instead of having them on separate pieces of hanging yarn. But I find it's very versatile. I can throw it on with anything. I'm looking forward to wearing it as the weather is changing here. I hope you make one for yourself. You really can make this out of any kind of yarn. It's just a matter of how many knots you're going to have to tie. Thanks for watching.